Good morning, everybody. It is July the 18th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, Obamacare is still the law of the land. The forces that profit from the status quo prevailed. Mitch McConnell was not able to change things, and the dollar is down because of the failure to pass that. The euro is up, gold's up a little bit, treasuries are actually up a little bit, and the E-mini is knocking at the door of resistance at 24.60.62. We have no news to speak of today. Biggest news overnight was China intervened in their markets to stop the selling in their stock indexes. So indexes are mixed. Nikkei is off quite a bit. That took Hong Kong and Shanghai input down to minus 0.02%. Europe, the FTSE's up. The DAX and the CAC are off. Europe's down 0.66. And the E-mini's having trouble at 24.60.62. So my guess is that the treasuries will be focused on the direction of the E-mini, and you can start to see some acceleration right here. Market is starting to turn up. So we've had volume, and the day before, yesterday, and now Globex volumes are higher, and the market starts to look like we may have some acceleration to the upside. So the issue is going to come right here at 26. Resistance starts at 28, perhaps as high as 26.04, and start off this morning thinking 27 to 31 was a sell. We'll move it up to 31 to 31.03. And we'll put a question mark at 27. And then 7 to 11 for sell 2. We love our number 2 sell points. The buy side was hoping to buy the 21s or better. Lean against that. So we'll make it 20 to 24 for buy 1, and then 13 to 17 for buy 2. Don't think we've got anything that changes us from a trading range environment today, except for maybe the E-mini might actually start to sell, and treasuries are hinting that the E-mini might sell today. It is summertime. A lot of people's minds are elsewhere. A lot of the principals are not in the office. So it does tend to slow things down. Okay, looking at the 30-year, the knob spread is expanding. You can see, again, just looking at the volume, volume is moving up in the distributions, and if we can keep volume above 153, if we can build volume above this number right here, which has been holding the market for the last 2 days, then the market has a chance to trade higher. We'll put 8 to 12 as number 1, 15.19 sell 1, 23.27 sell 2. On the buy side right here, 28 to the buck is number 1, 21.25 buy 1, 13.17 buy 2. The news today: import prices minus 0.3, export prices unchanged, housing market index at 68. None of this news usually impacts the market, so the direction of the E-mini I think will be primal as far as treasuries go. Gold was up. Its overnight strength was attributed to failure of Obamacare passage. I don't know what that has to do with gold being higher, but it is by a couple of bucks. And again, when we come back and we look at the distributions and we put all of this together, we've got nothing but P's behind us. So low volume numbers at 39.70, so 39.41, sell 1. 44.46, sell 2. On the buy side, 31.33, buy 1. And then 25.27, buy 2. Looking at the euro, that exploded last night with the failure of Obamacare to pass. All eyes are on Draghi come Thursday, and we'll see what type of volatility his speech introduces to the market, and it can be considerable. Have a couple of distributions up, so 116 even, 16.10, sell 1. 20 to 30, sell 2. We haven't been this high in 6 months. Got this clean break right here at 115.75, buy 1. Then 115.50, buy 2. And right now, everybody has said that no rate increase to bring the dollar back until December of this year. And so the euro can trade up and be strong for quite a bit of time. Weakness in the dollar has taken crude oil up. That used to be a rule. Dollar off, crude would be up. They were not going to get paid less. It's not as consistent as it used to be, but it's still there. And so we found a base in London at basically 46, so 46 and a quarter, held up once again. And buying started P and Q period, and it has continued right now. So stops above 47 and a quarter, sell 1. I think David the other day told us we're going to get to 47.50 middle of last week. Looks like we're on track to make David's numbers. 46.50, 46 and a quarter, buy 1. 45.75, 46 even, buy 2. Okay, the E-mini. We had yesterday's call. It was spot on. We thought it would be a pause day after Friday's rally. That's exactly what it was. Today, we've had a triple top of testing that 2460 area. We have not been able to get through. It tells me we might be pointing a little bit lower and might be able to get stops below 2454. So we're going to lower our buy to 50.52, buy 1, and then 45.47, buy 2. This volume at 46, 45, 47 right here is what's holding the market. As long as we can stay above that, the market can trade higher. So we've got volume here at 58 and volume down at basically 46. And this volume right here stops below 50, could work. We'll see, but I think 47 to 50 is probably pretty good support right now, and 60.62 is resistance. On the sell side, 59.61, 64.66. Import prices minus 0.3%. Export prices unchanged, and housing market index at 68. None of this news usually plays, so I think we're trading technically today with sellers against 60, and perhaps we can retest support at 50. It's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. Going to get busy with that. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.